Which part of the flower becomes the seed after fertilization? A. Stigma. B. Ovary. C. Ovule. D. Petal. Answer. C. Ovule. What is required for seed germination? A. Water, oxygen, suitable temperature. B. Only sunlight. C. Only water. D. Only oxygen. Answer. A. Water, oxygen, suitable temperature. Which plant reproduces through fragmentation? A. Rose. B. Spirogyra. C. Mango. D. Banana. Answer. B. Spirogyra. Which part of the flower attracts insects for pollination? A. Sepal. B. Petal. C. Anther. D. Filament. Answer. B. Petal. The process of formation of seeds in plants is known as A. Photosynthesis. B. Germination. C. Seed formation. D. Fertilization. Answer. D. Fertilization.